Welcome, dear students. Today we are here for our second class of English. In the first period, in the first class, we already learned about the poem The Truth, in which we learned that we must always speak the truth. We should not copy others. We should always be truthful, because truth will ultimately make us humble. It will end up all the mysteries of the life, and we know that truth is everywhere. Truth is also in the rain, right children? And we should always try to achieve the goal in our life and follow the path of truth. Yes, now let's go ahead with our meanings. Again, we are revising our meanings, children. Bring to your knees, make you humble. Mystery, something that puzzles or confuses. In vain is unsuccessful. I hope you are clear with the meanings, children. Let's go to the next exercise. Read the poem carefully and choose the correct answer. Alright children, so I hope you all are clear with the poem, and then you will be able to answer the questions. Say what you want, mean what you say. This line means, what does it mean children? There are three options. Can you find out the answer? Okay, let me help you with this. Fine. One should not make false promises. Yes, so the answer to this is one should not make false promises. Okay, let's come to the next. Be who you are, do as you please. Here the narrator wants us to, right? Be who you are, do as you please. I explained you, do as you please means children what makes you happy. So what does the narrator want to tell us? That we should be natural and not copy other people. Okay, next. The truth is the end of a mystery. This means, yes, I have explained you the meaning of mystery also children. So what does this mean? The truth is the end of a mystery, right? When we follow truth, it will clear all the confusions. So truth is the only thing that can remove all confusion, right? So if you understand the meanings, you will very clearly also children get the answers. Let's go ahead. Next. The truth is out there, the search is not in vain. This means, right, not in vain. I told you, unsuccessful children. So what is the answer to that? The search for truth is always rewarding. That we will always be rewarded if you are following the path of truth. Because if you are caught, if you're not truthful and if you are caught, you will end up in embarrassing situations. You will get punishments. But if you follow the path of truth, you will always be rewarded. Let's go to the next. The truth is a goal we all must achieve. Here the narrator wants to say that we should try to be truthful all the time, right? So that should be our goal every time, that we have to be truthful. Okay, so I hope this is clear children. Let's go to the next part, that is answer the following questions. Now these question answers children you'll have to learn as well as write down in your notebook. Let's see, what is the first question? What can lead us to see darkest lights of the day according to you? Right children, darkest lights of the day means a day is bright, but when here it is covered, the word used here is darkest light, it means the bad part of our day, the bad part of our day. That's why it is called the darkest light of the day. Let's see the answer children. Telling lies and making false promises lead us to see the darkest lights of the day. Yes children. Okay, again, telling lies, jhoot bolna, and making false promises can lead us to see the darkest lights of the day. It can bring bad memories for us during the day. Next question. What does the poet mean when he says that The truth is going to bring to you knees, right? As I told you, we have already learned the meaning of the word. The truth is going to bring you to your knees. If you remember the meaning, it makes us humble. The poet means that truth will make one humble. It will conquer the pride and arrogance in one. Right? Those people who are proudy, they feel very proud of certain things, arrogance, ego, all that will go away once they all start following the path of truth. Children, before we go to the next question, I would like to bring you to your notice that Gandhiji always used to tell us to follow the path of truth, and in Hindi also it is said that Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate means truth alone triumphs. Satya ki jeet hoti hai. Okay, children, let's go to the next question. Do you think telling lies may get you into an embarrassing situation? Yes, children. Truth, right? So let's see what is the answer. Yes, when you are caught, right? When your mistake is caught, you feel very sorry in front of other people. All right, what is our next question, children? Where can you find the truth? If you remember, we've done that in the poem. Where can you find the truth? We can find truth everywhere. Yes, the poet emphasizes that truth is everywhere, and one search for truth will never go in vain. It is there all around us, even in the rain. Yes, next question is, what is the goal we all must achieve? Why? What goal should we all achieve, children? Let's see. Truth is the goal that we all must achieve. Why? Because telling lies may lead us to face embarrassing situations in life. Moreover, truth helps one remain humble in life. Right, children? Let's see, what do we have next? Yes, give rhyming words for the following. Now, you should know, children, what are rhyming words. Rhyming words are those words which sound the same. Spellings are different, children, but if you see the last few words, they will remain the same, and usually we find them only in the poem. We have rhyming words only in the poem. Okay, fine. Let's take few examples. Day. Day का rhyming word क्या होगा, children? Day, say, pay. Another word is next month. Can you get a hint of that? Next month is going to be May. So May is another rhyming word for day, say, pay, May. Next, see. Right? When you see something. So see, what is the rhyming word of see? Me, fee. Okay, so these are rhyming words. Coming on to the next, you can see is rain. Yes, right? Truth is also there in the rain. So what is the rhyming word of rain? Rain, vain, pain. So these are, children, called rhyming words. So here we finish with that poem, children, and I want you all to make a note of the homework that is given. I want you to write the poem 2 times and learn. Right? Another homework is write the meanings 2 times in notebook and learn. All right, children, I hope you all are clear with this poem, and you have to do your homework daily. Okay, children, take care. Bye bye. See you, children.